Hello there.
Yeah, y'all doing?
Good.
I think GJ is going to be good for longs.
You what?
I think GJ is going to be good for longs.
What with the bears and with what GG's gonna be good for longs, is it? Why are you thinking that?
Because
The 4 hours bearish now. To be fair, it never closed beneath there, to be fair.
yeah, we're barely on it because
Yeah.
there's an index on the 4 hour.
Yeah, I'd just stay over, but to be fair, probably.
On the 4 hour, it's inside leg. Well, kinda. It's breaking resistance on that the green 4 hour candle's high.
Yeah.
But then again, let's see. It's like you said, it did actually close below, didn't it?
It closed below that low, but it didn't close beneath this green candle.
The green candle? Yeah, but it's the low, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Over the bears.
yeah, no, it is bearish on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
It closed has to close beneath the very lowest point on the pullback. Which means another 30 minutes now. Another 30 minutes. What's it?
Yeah, I didn't see that far out, to be fair.
Yeah.
This is a good shot, then.
Yeah, the 30 minutes just bearish. It's very close. This area here. Did it break? Did it close beneath there? What's that? 371.
That's easily bearish.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. On the 30 minute.
Yeah,
Is that high? The high is high. Work your way back from there, first two red candles.
yeah, hasn't rebroken structure again, has it?
The last significant high is the very highest high.
Yeah, I'm just checking on the close. 374 was highest. Open was 374. Close was 377. Yeah, no, it's bearish on the 30 minute as well.
Yeah. Take my hand, promise I won't let you down.
Yeah, it's put some right snow down. It's coming down well heavy.
I don't know. What is doing? It's bloody amazing.
It did focus it to be fair. I'm gonna have to go.
Yeah, when they give you a warning that close, you know that you're gonna get it.
Well, it's like it was yellow warning for like a while, wasn't it? And then they've kind of gone, oh shit.
It's coming in hot.
Yeah, it was yellow for a long time, and then they thought, actually, it's gonna get pretty bad.
Yeah, some good shots in GG then, about 143.60.
Yeah.
Cool.
Groovy.
This is be a nice setup.
Yeah, you just gotta watch out for the 4 hour closing.
Yeah. I kind of want this 30 minutes close anyway, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
Let me see what happens. Tell you what, my what's it called? EU setup from yesterday absolutely smashed target.
Yeah, it was nice for that.
Yeah, that was insane. See then, in that instance, it's like, oh, I would have liked that 4 hour setup.
Yeah, I don't know.
It just melted, didn't it? In 1 hour candle.
Yeah, it didn't take long to do that.
it's fine. Take my hand, promise I won't let you down. Right, let's have a look here.
Fishing fun. Get me on the saddle. That's an absolute blitzer.
Adam, it's a Dalek again.
Really?
Really? Still gonna sound dead.
It sounds like it's gonna explode.
It's about to take flight.
Kaboom.
Yeah, as well on the on GG.
Yeah.
As the load breaks, the one that I wanted to shut out.
Yeah.
60.
Yes.
That would be the break of that. That'll be 5 minutes up in bearish as well.
Oh, good. What about the 15?
Yeah.
What about the 15?
No, still. Well, it will be 15 minute or well, the 30 minutes bearish. Okay. Might start writing on actually. After the trade, I might put like reasons for it.
Yeah.
I might start putting them on before.
Yeah.
Do it, mate.
Do it.
I'm not scared of it. I'd really okay, lovely. 4 hours. Hmm?
I just did text.
Take my hand, you'll be fine.
Down. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5 hours.
Let's see outside. All the weather outside is frightful.
Some right snow this year.
It's been good, hasn't it? Shame we got the friggin' skis off. Indeed. Right. Getting on it, set and D. For some bloody water. Look at it driving out there, Jimmy. Look at it drive out there.
Mm-hmm. Truck driver. Like a truck driver.
Yeah, there's quite a bit. Look, there's been one car up and it's put some right tracks down.
Yeah, so I saw that.
Yeah, you won't get out of there in your car. Not a chance. But it's going to do this. The forecast switched as well. There's no rain forecast today now.
Is it not?
Nah. It goes to fog. It turns from snow to fog. It's going to be crazy.
Sweaty God says sticky.
30 days, you know, we're going to have a lovely time.
Let's get physical.
No way. No way.
I'll tell you what, that thought I would do, but I don't. Is when I'm driving, I don't really listen to the radio. It's on, but I don't really have my tunes on.
No.
But I think it's because you've got to go just in and out.
Yeah. Grumpy bastard.
If she get inside.
Oh, child, mate.
I think as well, if EJ breaks all them supports, it's going to melt below 171.
Yeah, the only issue with EJ is you've got 3v1 bullish.
Yeah, no, I thought that. I thought as much.
But yeah, it's a nice area, is that, to break into, because it's like bullish consolidation, so it breaks it, and a lot of people would expect it to come short. Cup and Endale is not that, is it?
Cup and Endale.
Cup and Endale breaks long as well.
Good job just buying everything then, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I got a notification saying that GEC polyamorous is spiked, but will it continue?
Everything's pumping and dumping. I went from 120% up on XRP to being about 40% up in a day.
You definitely should have closed it up there.
Nah, because it's not a big enough position.
You're a greedy man.
I know, I love it.
You greed seconds me. Good just coming down to dinner, laddie.
I kind of want it to not break on this far out.
Oh, well, Adam, you don't get everything you want to tell you. I do me.
You do you. God, I hate it. It's horrible.
Funny though, isn't it?
Dirty.
I like it at the same time.
I'm a dirty poor girl. Sniff me notes. I hate it, but I love it. I hate it, but I love it.
It's funny. Gives us a laugh, doesn't it?
It does, lad. Me too.
That's deep. Nice been since last week. It's not that deep. It's not 6 weeks. It's not that deep.
Jimmy is driven out there, lad. Bloody snowing.
Shouldn't have just started my thoughts, man.
I'm actually pretty warm today. Sure?
It's not cold outside.
No, it's not. 0 degrees. Yeah. Bears. I'm a darling. I'm a darling. Yeah, kind of like that. Bears.
At least I can have some chat time today. A little bit more chat time, maybe in the afternoon. It was a really nice shot on, what was it now? EJ yesterday at 3:15.
I don't know. I'm not going to trade now in the afternoons.
Well, no, I probably would, to be fair. But,
I'd rather just like one session.
Yeah, it was a 1 to 1.2. Sorry, 1 to 1.28.
Oh, well, that makes all the difference.
Yeah. We've almost stopped you out, you know.
Scared of what?
It would have almost stopped you out as well.
Oh, really? They're our favourite ones.
They're the favourites.
Yeah, it's looking better and better on the 4 hour to melt.
What is?
GG. Like you've had a strong bullish candle and then a candle which is pretty much just, well, it's done a bit of movement long, but not a great deal. It's kind of just consolidated, isn't it?
It'd be nice if it closes exactly where it is now. Because if it's on the hourly, it's Well,
Yeah.
nice in the hourly. Inside leg.
Uno Aero. Oh yeah. Jimmy boy. Yeah, that is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want the 4 hour to push. Give a good like push up.
Well, nobody cares what you want.
Well, you should do.
You stink funny.
You smell like horses.
The good thing is here, if it is going to go short from here, we can get it on any time frame because there's inside legs on the 30-minute now,
Yeah.
and then on the hourly as well.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can play with your stop instead of playing with your ring hole. Tell you, I reckon today is going to be a no viewer, or not a no viewer day, but it'll be a low viewer day. Just like, because yesterday wasn't. He's doing the same.
What was it? It's not going to be a no view day, but a low viewer day. What's that? Oh yeah, no, a mole. There's a mole.
What?
And then he's like, a mole, not a mole.
A vole.
He's like, a mole and a mole? He's like, no, sir, a mole, not a mole.
You're crazy.
It's funny, I tell you.
Bloody hell, shake a stick.
Adam.
Shake a
What
stick.
you got?
Yeah.
What you got, lad?
Oh, bloody hell, shake a stick. I don't know, shake a
Oh,
stick.
is that?
I don't know. Just made that out.
Shake a stick.
Shake a stick, lad. Go on, son, shake a stick.
Imagine if that one view that we had yesterday were just watching.
Loving life. Sniffing juice. I'm tired of empty smiling.
Nice how it's forming as well, like just slightly underneath the structure on the left.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I'm properly not liking pound dollar at the moment.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's bullish on all 4 time frames, but I don't know, I just don't like it. He says
There's an
he's...
inside leg on that.
Yeah, no, I was just gonna say, he says he spots an inside leg. What, like now?
You couldn't take it there.
No.
Oh, sorry, no, on the hourly for sure.
Oh, right, okay. I was thinking a 15-minute, like, flip for long.
Oh, yeah.
You know, of the support. Support. Well, resistance, which is now support. It works well, does that? If the resistance turns to support, or vice versa.
Vice versa.
Vice versa, yeah.
Vice versa, yeah. Could be yeah.
We're in the powder highway. Yes. Damn, like the way I don't know where you're moving. We got 30 seconds.
Yeah, T minus 36.
30?
30 seconds, you know. I don't know what we do.
Pardon?
It's nice in the hour.
Yeah. If you remember when the bullish candle after the bearish one closes with a higher low than the previous one, sometimes you get like a wick up on the second one. You know, like it creates like a really like big higher wick.
Yeah, you got to remember with inside legs that like don't write them off if they don't. So like say this candle now, you expect it to just like drop and like push into it.
Yeah.
Don't write it off if it starts to push up, because if it forms resistance and then just engulfs to the downside, it's always a really good entry then. It's also got like even more confirmation really.
Yeah, because it's been up, tested it again and then rejected it and it tested the resistance again. Yeah, I think like a stop would probably do. Right, I'm set.
Stops at like 595, innit?
I've got for mine at 701 to count for spread on the high. I've still got 1 to 2 on MetaTrader to about pretty much to the pound.
On MetaTrader?
Yeah, and I ain't got my entry out dead at my entries like the spread underneath the low as well. And I'm gonna watch it on the hourly, I think. I'm gonna see what it's like on the hourly.
Yeah. This is the 4 hour thing opening it.
Yeah. The good thing is it opened and pushed up to start with, so
yeah,
that's a good thing. Right. Some other ones. Where's my thing? 4 hour.
Yeah, this looks pretty nice, this. I like it.
Yeah, I do. Me, Dave, I do. Yeah, it's weird. Look, there's like people have been jumping in and out of the stream like by now. I've had one person.
But we've had one person. I
There's
know.
been one. There was one person, yeah. Also,
Yeah,
there was two people in, sorry. But yeah, it's like alternates. It must be something to do with how YouTube work. I don't know. It has to be because like it's been consistently like 35, 40 people watch it, and then like 15 watch it, and then the same again. It's weird.
Yeah. That's super strange, man. I was messaging Adam who was saying that you're working today, and I was like, no, just no way.
Not that
Yeah, I just can't get out.
I guess he's not either. It'll be worse up at Kirk Eaton, won't it?
Yeah.
I'm guessing he won't be going. It's going to do this till 11 o'clock, it says. So, yeah, Dad's car's covered. See how much on top of Dad? Oh, you got to see how much is on top of Dad's van, will you?
No.
There must be like 4 inch on top of it now. 5, maybe even 5 inch. Is it low? It's moving. You always have to ruin it, don't they, and drive on it. Looks like icing. To be fair, if it keeps going, he's going to fill those tracks. You don't have to worry about that, you know.
Go.
Shake your money, make it like somebody's about to pay you.
Yeah, come on now, mate.
Ooh, Yuri Ostella just did one as well on the hourly, if you look.
Isn't it?
Yeah. My alert's just triggered on pound yen, but it's not. That was a bit higher than entry there.
Damn.
The way I talk, the way I move, yeah. You think it's deja vu, yeah. I want to stay deja vu, yeah. It's a good tune, that. I like that song. Deja vu.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's tune, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tune.
EJ's giving an inside leg as well. On the 1 hour.
Yeah. But how are they doing it? I was wondering if EJ was going to close like that.
On what, the hourly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but we said that he's bullish in it on the 4 hour.
Bullish on most time frames, yeah. But that sometimes it works like that, and then it just gives a really gradual retrace back to the significant low, which is like here.
Yeah.
Sorry, no, the hourly would be bearish actually.
Yeah, it's out.
Sounds scared.
The hour is better.
Yeah, the 30 minutes not.
That's a really nice inside leg to be fair.
Yeah. Yeah, the 30 minutes not. The 30 minutes still bullish because it gave like, it printed opposite candles like on the hourly where it created the significant low, but yeah, so it's like it might just gradually retrace all the way back to like 126.40.
Oh yeah.
No news either, which is good. Some Euro news at like, what will that be? For 10 o'clock. Cool. There's a lot of pairs making inside, like US dollars as well. On the hourly, so it's pound dollar.
Pound dollar on the hour.
And dollar card. And dollar card.
Pound dollar, it would have already been one.
Yeah. Oh, God, Jimmy. Someone's got to stop ruining the snow. Selfish. To be honest, they're packing it down. It's not like going down to town, like they're packing the snow down. They're packing snow down.
Is it not?
No, it's packing it down. It's gonna be like an ice rink out there. A rice rink.
A rice rink. Yeah, what was that? I can't remember. I've gone crazy. Come on, move your body. Yeah, I like GJ.
Yeah, I do.
But it's a beautiful setup, my friend.
Me devado.
It's friggin' loads. I don't like it when it's loads. You don't know what to pick. I'm just going to read with GJ because
I'm just sticking with EJ, yeah.
The GJ.
GJ, sorry.
DJ.
Yeah, one of them. It is so lovely and white outside.
Smells like
This wedding is for shit.
savage. Not a savage.
He's gonna go.
What's going on, man? Let's have a look here. Oh, there's two people watching. Are you watching me and I'm watching you?
Yeah, I think so. She said I don't smoke, I don't sip.
I got it. I got something better there.
Yeah, I bet.
Nice little day off, man.
Absolutely greeny out.
A nice little chiller.
A little greeny.
A nice little chiller, matey.
My baby don't mess around, she loves me too.
Got the first 15-minute close round coming up in 1 minute 35 seconds. Oh my god.
Mid office. Yeah, man.
The shot on EU yesterday was the smaller time frames were very obvious as well, like the way it was in resistance but higher.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful.
Yeah, it worked well. to be fair. Oh no, it's going to turn to drizzle and rain by 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be heavy rain by 7. Yeah.
Oh, that's minging.
Mangang.
Yeah, that new shed.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday next week is snow again though.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. You can.
Oh,
Yeah, I do like DJ. I'm not gonna lie.
I do like DJ.
I do like DJ. Do.
Maladadi. Good. Proper good.
Yeah. Good, isn't it? It's good that. Get out my shed.
Can hold the cloud.
Oh my god, the 15-minute cloud.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, the 15-minute cloud. Baby. Can you. Don't tell me that you can read my mind. You don't know how I feel inside. I can't take you down. Baby, get out my head. Get out me, shed. Get out me, shed. Get out me, shed, lad. Oh, you, get out me, shed. Right now. Get out my shed. Get out my shed.
Oh, funny. That looks so funny.
Oh my god, Adam. Oh my god, Adam.
What's up?
How's he get now?
He was in the bath. He was in the bathroom.
He was in the bath. Taking the doodle. Baby. Yeah. I'm just going a trigger. Baby. You can. Right, get down, Michelle, like it. Now. I'm tired of empty smiles and nights away. I'm sick of these paper stones. Paper stones.
Illuminating the sun.
Are you high, boy? Joy?
You're high, nigga.
Dum. Nights alone. Sick of these paper stones. Yeah. Oh, quite nice. Very good. One on there. One on there. One on here. Right ear. Right ear.
Great song.
I'm tired of empty smiles.
Great news.
I'm tired of empty smiles and nights alone. I'm sick of these paper stones. Oh, come on, you kid. Are you frightened or something? This is the life that we ask for. Tired of empty smiles, nights alone, taking this one. It's around the world. You're right here. This is the life that we came for. Tired of empty smiles. Neither Lord. Took a paper stone.
West Virginia.
This is a moment to put it all.
It's still snowing out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of setups that if you would have let them run, you would have literally ran like so far, like into like in the teens of risk to reward.
Yeah, you just can't have a no.
No. Can you hell? Can you balls me? Our balls? Yeah, balls.
No balls. My balls, no balls, your balls.
Yeah, the only so there's basically there's four. Actually, there's not three. Like basically, the one on GJ with bearish.
Yeah.
The 4 hour and a 30-minute.
Yeah.
And then the only other one is you as well, but that would already be working.
Yeah.
But that's better than like EJ because EJ is technically bullish in the 4 hour. So the you're making the move there, mate. It might work. Like, it looks quite good, but I don't know. I think you're better just to stick with one.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Yeah, you can't take easy.
I think the only time as well you should take two is like you should never trade against the correlation, if you know what I mean.
Mm.
If you're going to trade two, you need to correlate, I think.
Yeah. Yeah,
If not, you might as well just not trade because you're just gonna break even.
Yeah, there's a pretty good chance in there.
Yeah. Stack for the future, fucking temporary.
Oh dear, dude. Oh dear. I just burped. Oh, well, isn't this lovely and relaxing?
I found as well the best ones are where it's like. I found that the best shorts are either the inner resistance, so it's like it's saying at like a lower high point to a previous resistance, but it's kind of in the resistance, if you know what I mean. Or it's like GJ, where it's a higher high to a minor high, it's a lower low to the last significant, a lower high to the last significant one.
Yeah.
They're the best for short, and the best longs seem to be that it's in support, and then it goes long.
Yeah.
Like it wants to be bullish, and then it wants to be in support. Then you get an inside leg inside the lows, inside especially like a significant low, and then you get the move. That's what dollar CAD was a while back.
Yeah.
So dollar CAD. Yeah, it was sat in the lows. It's bullish.
Sitting in the low.
Gonna be a steady. This bad boy. This party. Waiting patiently.
Are you waiting? Let the bloody.
Waiting.
Oh, we are bloody waiting. No, we let bloody.
What's this Spanish now,
11. Oh no, later than that now.
11, really?
I think it's later. No, later than that, actually.
You can tell that Luke didn't get up early. Yeah, message back here.
He's a lazy man. Oh no, it's 11. Yeah, 11. And it's fog, and then drizzle at 1, and then sleet at 2, fog at 3, heavy rain at 4.
So,
Crappy English way that.
It's holding steady, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching it on the Owly, so
Yeah,
looks pretty sick.
Yeah, looks nice in the hour.
Oh, it's quite nice that it's holding actually though, at the moment.
Yeah. Aye, me, aye. Aye. Simon. Yes, holding steady, holding steady.
Holding steady.
Adam smells a bit funny. Wow, wow. Yeah, look, it looks like the dollar's just a bit stronger than the yen right now because the dollar, the ones are moving. Well, pound dollar and euro dollar are going short, and the EJ and GJ are holding.
Oh yeah.
That might mean they'll follow. Like sometimes, like if so, there's obviously like GJ, GU, EJ, and EU, and they all follow it. They all like correlate to a degree.
More or less, don't they?
But sometimes 3 of them will be moving and 1 won't be, and a lot of the times, like a little bit after, that will then make an even bigger move, but it just takes a bit longer.
Yeah.
Sometimes that happens quite a few times. It's a bit weird.
Yeah. It's starting to push down now.
Coming down.
Yeah, it's starting to push down now.
What's the entry?
Yeah. That's the my entry is where my line is on the thing.
Lion.
Slightly below.
You're lying.
Got a spot on my leg.
I always put it on the closest whole number or off 5 digit to the low. So if the low's at like 60.7, I'll put it at 60.5.
It was 143602 the low.
143672.
602.
602. Yes, I just put it at 60.
Yeah, mine's at 595. Sorry, 596. I put mine's the spread underneath.
Alright. Yeah. I just like to, with these I like to get a really good entry.
You're telling me?
Because a lot of times, like I don't know, it doesn't normally just tap you in and then pull back. Like it'll generally go, if it's not gonna work, it generally triggers you in anyway. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A lot of the times. Yeah, I'm not triggered in it now. I'm not even close.
No, me either. Me either. It's not a million miles off, to be fair, I'm at it.
Well, yeah. 0.7 of a pip for me.
Yeah, 606, isn't it?
Simon. See, like now if you had a signal group, you'd just be like GG pending order.
Yeah. I think Matt started on.
I don't want to I don't know. If it was like if it was a subscription thing, it'd be pretty cool. But
yeah,
I want to just help people. Right?
No, I won't do that. This is
trades. I work really hard to know how to do it.
Yeah, well, he's doing a signal thing for a month.
Who is?
Matt.
Is it?
Yeah, I've seen it on his page. He's not selling it, I don't think.
But he doesn't need to though. He's already got his subscriptions and stuff.
That's it, yeah.
It's well stressful, like having to send it out, especially the way he trades.
Yeah, well, he's saying that he put on a thing like people need to understand risk management and like know that it's only going to be 10 pips to target sort of thing, or TP1 and all that stuff, which is fair enough.
Oh, the sky is full with snow. Proper old and steady, isn't it?
Yeah.
30 minute close pretty.
It's pretty far down, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like I say, I'm watching on hour, so.
Yeah, same.
Look, if you're watching the 15-minute, this would only have been 3 15-minute candles, where it's been 3 hours, hasn't it?
So. Yeah.
Yeah, so the yen's obviously not that strong compared to the dollar.
Compared to $1.
To the dollar, motherfucker.
Tick, boom. Tick, boom. Tick, boom.
I'm hungry.
I am actually. Boom.
What's still coming down out there in Powder Town? Oh, John's been out. What are you doing, John?
Johnny Davidson.
What are you jogging?
Johnny Davis.
I'm off to get me bloody brekkie and shed.
Isn't it shared?
No. He ain't in the shed, boy. He ain't.
What's weird, right? If I look over onto Stonebridge Water, the sky is like full with snow. It's weird how I can see that, and like all the snow that filled the sky in between me and there, in between me and that light. Like, how isn't that blocking my vision? Like, there's loads. It's weird how I can see it.
Yeah, it's probably coming down. Obviously, you can see where John's left for work, and or whoever it is, might be an either. But it's already starting to cover where they were parked.
Is it?
Yeah. It's coming down pretty heavy with that.
No. Tell you what though, when it's this year, when we've had snow, it's properly snowed. Like, we've had a lot.
Yeah, it's not just been like a flurry for like an hour.
Yeah, it's been a proper job.
That was a proper job in my underpants.
Proper job, yeah. Boom.
Yeah, EJ does look like it's gonna come sharp.
EJ.
Yeah, like just the position of where it is.
Yeah, it does. Massively. It looks perfect, to be honest. Like, if 4 hour was bearish, absolutely pencils and juice.
Oh, look at it coming down now. My God.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, man.
It's pounding. That's crazy. It's coming down well every now.
That's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah. We are snotting. I think it looks thick when it's on the trees.
Yeah. The EU absolutely melted.
Did it? Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, it's bearish on the 4 hours EU.
Yeah, I know. It was just, well, I might have taken it, but it was already below. It was already,
Yeah, I tell you what, it'd have been close to stopping you out there.
Would it?
Yeah, you'd have been like.
Oh, why did it retrace?
Yeah, it would have missed you by just bigger than the spread, like maybe like 0.3
On the hour?
on the 30-minute. The hour is.
No, I was talking about the one on the hour.
Oh, right, taking that. Yeah. Look at it go. It's dropping. Bloody hell, it's dropping now.
Just like the snow outside.
So it's pound dollar.
Just like $1. Yeah. See, there's an inside leg on pound dollar right at the high on the hourly. It was against direction.
Yeah, that's the thing, innit? We know what it's like to trade against direction. It's not fun.
Also not bloody workers.
No, it's actually not. For how many times it works to how many times like you can get caught out as well, it's not worth it. Oh, yeah, John's parking space is covered back up now. Look at it going on now.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's no way out of working for you.
No, not a chance. Not a chance. Take a chance on me.
A video of that turtle, what's it like?
Yeah. The best one was when it paused for like a second,
Yeah.
and it just went. I've seen that video before, the turtle, to be fair.
Yeah, I have.
What? It was on lyrics for a song. Oh, what was it called, man? It was on a song. Can't remember. Funny.
Yeah, well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Funny one.
For funny.
You just taking a sweet time.
Yeah, I still haven't been triggered in yet.
Yeah, so.
Well done. Congrats.
Hang on a second. Oh no, my entry is set at 595. Because the low of the candle on MetaTrader is 597.
Oh, right, yeah.
So I rounded it down.
You're crazy, you mate.
I am, man.
It's proper good. It's proper. I'm gonna get my skis out.
You smell like chicken shit.
It feels like. Do 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 do.
You start hearing dancing down, Karen says.
She's a lovely lad.
You could definitely do like a Barnsley starter pack. Very easily.
Barnsley start.
You need some slippers in the air. E-cig.
Yeah, they
Deep
just
fat fryer.
they smoke them for fun, don't they? Use it like a bloody train.
You need a deep fat fryer.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's snowing now. Look at it.
But I can actually see. I can see the snow in front of my window now.
Yeah, without it being in a white.
Yeah.
Holy cats.
Jesus Christ.
That's ridiculous.
You can forego your past studies.
Oh my god.
That's
Yeah,
insane.
John's parking spot's covered again. Fully.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's covering the tracks.
Excited.
It's actually covering the, you know where the path on the far
It's
side?
frozen over the tracks.
Jim, you know the path on the far side?
Yeah.
You can hardly see the curb.
I'm coming into you. I'm coming in.
Come and join. We all come. The other side of the world. Yeah, what?
Spring in it. Yeah, your views look sicker than mine.
It's natural.
Your view.
Okay,
My views are, but Jesus Christ. I like it, innit? That's what happened. I need a lift. Hello again.
There. That is crazy. Crazy.
Wow, that's amazing. I just care. Just care. My ass stinks.
Mum. No, he doesn't. No, he never. No, he never. Rather dirty. Oh my god, look at this. No, what the hell? I think that's heavier than it was before.
Even more.
Even closer.
Bloody hell. You're right. When I woke up, on the roof outside of my window, I could see it was like covered in snow, but I could see like the dark underneath it, you know, the colour of the roof.
Yeah.
Now it's just like white. I just can't see anything. I can't see anything.
Pitch white.
It would almost a bit transparent before, but no.
Crazy.
Wow, that's wild, man. Got a siren outside.
Siren. Might come and look at your view.
Oh, I'm moving it. I know, my first thing now. Nuts in it. Yeah, let's get out there. Oh, Jimmy, it's like Christmas. Oh my God.
It is snowing like hell.
Hi.
Simon.
Simon.
Right. Ahora. Good morning, viewers. How are you? Welcome. Please stand and state your name and where you're from. That's not fair, Biggie. That thing is kicking the door. Please stand, state your name, where you're from. My name's Shay and I'm from New Rochelle. Alright, don't laugh too much.
You gotta let me live.
Sit.
Yeah, with inside legs, I have to say, like, a lot of the time it's pretty good if say it's doing what it's doing now, and then like it'll push you, so like the next candle will open and push up a little bit, and it'll try and go long, and then it'll just always, like on the 15-minute, it will just be like a bearish engulfing candle all the way back to the lows.
Yeah.
Like it like forms even more resistance.
Yeah, no, I didn't trigger. Didn't trigger. Which is good.
Mine wasn't even that close, to be fair.
Mine won't.
Same. That's because we've got them at the same price.
Correct. Yeah, exactly, Jimmy. Oh, Pound Town. Boom, boom, boom. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's crackly ass, Nick. Do, 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 do. You get your dressing gown on there, boy. More interested in watching it snow, to be honest.
Well,
So I'm more interested in watching it snow, to be honest.
Cheer. What are you listening to this morning?
That a different no copyright lo-fi thing.
Oh man.
It's quite
So
cool, actually.
cliche, dude.
I don't really care.
They put some Cal Scrooby on or something.
You always say that. I've done it before. It's not even good. It's not good. It's good, but it's not good.
People offended, dude.
Must be. We have churchgoers on here, Jimmy boy.
Church?
You go to church?
Nowhere near you. It's at EJ. It's a funny one because it's bearish on the daily, but it's still technically bullish on the 4 hour, but then it's bearish on the hourly, and it's a very nice pattern on the hourly too.
Yeah, it looks sick, doesn't it?
Yeah, you know, I think it was like at the start of the stream, I spoke about that on EJ on the 30 minute. Is that low down at like 72? It's just hit.
On
It's
EJ?
just yeah, it's holding on that low.
Holding on that low. Oh my god.
Because that's the last one. Like if it breaks that, look how clean it is down.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just one candle. That's the same with GJ though. It's just one candle. Really, oh, there was 2 candles on GJ, but...
One candle.
Yeah, we'll see what it does when she takes. To be fair, if this 30-minute closes like it does, and the next one like pushes up a little bit and then just like bombs straight back down again,
Yeah.
then you know what that means.
I don't.
Good.
I don't know nothing. It's like, right, so you see EJ now on the hourly.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is, so say this candle closes just above that green one's low, so just above the support. And the next one opens and then starts pushing up straight away.
Yeah.
Pushes up to the resistance and then holds there for a bit, and then as that starts to flip, then you short out the lows because that's just it's almost like a sure thing.
Yeah, well the daily structure's bearish, isn't it?
Yes.
The daily candle's bullish, the 4 hours bullish, and the 30 minutes bullish.
Yes. Yes. No. doing this since I was in
Dick, boom. It's literally just a case of just sitting here. Third viewer, if you want to send a chat in or something or talk about something, then please do. Because we won't be. There's not really much more to talk about. Yeah, EJ looks insanely good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does actually. I'll see how this. I don't know if the 4 hour was on its side, I'd already be in it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
For me, it's that low on the 30-minute. Like if it breaks that, it's going.
Yeah, if it comes down beneath
72 dead.
720, yeah. What did this candle tap it? 721. No, it didn't quite tap the actual low. 721.
Oh. No.
The open of this next hour could push it up, to be fair.
Yeah.
I just don't like taking stuff against structure. The thing is, like, it's a shit. Like, do you class that as a pullback on the 30-minute? It doesn't really matter if you're 4 hours against you, but would you class this? Like, I've always ummed and ahed about that. I don't really know, like that. Is that a retrace?
No, technically it is.
Yeah, which makes me think if it is on the hourly, you think it would be on the 30, wouldn't you, as well? Really?
Yeah.
Because obviously your candles have got higher. Your candles came from like obviously it made a move up and then it retraced. So you had candles with lower highs and lower lows, and the previous one for 3 candles, and then it moved along. But they just printed opposite colours, didn't they? It was like bullish, bearish, bullish. Sorry, bearish, bullish, bearish, and then you had the bullish engulfing. Then you had the bullish engulfing candle. So it's like, what?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. No, it's look at you. Wow.
It's snowing. Yeah. You'll need to push up the hill, don't you? Alright.
Where do you mean going, is it?
No. I've just texted Kelsey, she's going. Yeah, but I don't think you'll get up, to be honest. You might do, but. Yeah, Dad. We're staying on the, on the curb. The snow's up to, you can't see the curb at this side. Yeah. The curb. The sidewalk. The sidewalk.
Society.
I just realised I had my hand down, itching my ass on the stream.
Let's have a look. I'm gonna do it in a minute. Let's have a watch. Well, you sat down?
No, I stood up.
Oh, you already sat down on stream. I'm gonna rewind it.
Playbacks.
There we go, man. There you go, you stand up. Standing up. What are you doing back there?
Digging for gold.
Have you seen it? Rewind.
I know, I've seen it. 72, Jim, it's beneath. We're beneath.
What's that? The knees, yeah.
Needs to close. Could just be a whip.
Yeah. Because there's that minor alert 71 as well.
Oh, Jimmy, we're digging for gold, lad.
It's funny that.
Shut up. Look at this.
Sure. Oh, that's deep.
Hmm?
Yeah, you know when I sent you them 3 like reels through on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Charlie Mitchell sent me them.
Yeah, they're funny.
Yeah, I proper laughed. You know, a lot of times when people send you stuff, you just put a laughy face and you don't really laugh, but
Yeah.
I actually proper laughed at that.
Just watching myself sketch me, yeah. Look at the forearm tension. Just like slowly sneak down. Like, what are you listening to? Can I hear you? What are you listening to?
But that's close, it's not, but it's a bit gay.
Well, turn it off. No, not on my streaming now.
How could you?
Yeah.
God damn it. There's no privacy here.
Damn it. Damn it, dude.
Damn, Daniel. 7 o'clock candle, look.
Ah, lovely. Yeah, Euro yen closed back above it.
It's manipulated everybody.
Well, 007. Could be 007, couldn't it?
No. This is not the movies. DJ. Well, is GJ gonna melt? Or is it gonna break out?
Well,
Only one way to find out.
Fine.
They just said that a state of emergency has been declared in New York after heavy snow.
Really?
It's the East Coast.
No.
That's good. That's a good enough excuse for you not to go to work, isn't it, Dad? No, have you not seen everyone? Have you not seen Morning?
Weather one in New York.
Yeah, can't make it down there. It's just treacherous news, isn't it? You just can't do anything.
There's a state of emergency in Alabama.
Damn it. All my turkeys are gonna fry.
Turkeys. Water buffalo. There's my water buffaloes.
Need Cody on, man. He tells what's real and what's not.
Yeah, Lionel bastard.
I know. I will be on every day anyway.
I will be honest. I thought we had a friend.
Every day.
I thought we had a friend.
I will
But
be here without fail every day.
I think you're lying.
Here for the education. Oh, that's deep. Not that deep. It's not 6 feet. It's not that deep.
Yeah, I don't know if EJ is gonna come short or not. I don't know.
EJ?
EJ, yeah.
Of course it is. Everybody just start selling EJ.
It would do then.
I think it will. I think it's good. I think
reckon?
the entry though is what's it called? The low of that green candle.
The lot of the green.
The inside low, get it?
Yeah, you'd be in now if you were in.
Oh, EJ, oh yeah. It's pushed a little bit, it's pushed. Oh, that's deep.
If it's not 6 feet.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good on the alley for a push, to be fair. But I don't think you'd... EJ, I don't think you'd want to... I don't think you'd want to... I don't think you'd want to sell it though with your stop above this candle that's just broken. It wants to be a lot higher.
No, but this isn't the entry, is it? The entry's already been. The entry's at like 7...
What time? What was it?
7:75.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, with you stop above them, yeah. Jawohl.
Ja, Vulcan bar.
For all you Germans in the house. Jawohl. 5, go on. Good morning, guys. Hello. Say hi.
Everyone that comes on is like a mute. Yeah, so.
Can't type.
I have a default.
Go on, be a devil. Type something.
Be a nutter.
Go on.
Be crazy with all your friends.
People must just go on here and just think we're mugging them off.
Yeah.
It's exactly what we're doing. Ora, ora, ora.
We call good trades though, so.
Depends how you want to play.
Why's my friggin' music so quiet?
Doing tells.
Ah, that's right. Got I found it down.
Yeah, he just on the way down.
When I saw the inside leg on the hourly, it was pretty obvious it was going to make some sort of move. But it was against 4-hour structure, so.
Oh, the powerhouse. We're in the powerhouse. Yeah, this is a Euro session open. Let's see what she does. Yeah. What's it saying? 30 minutes?
GJ's looking alright.
Yeah, it looks better now.
You could actually move your stop loss even tighter on GJ. But
I'm not going to do that, I don't think.
No. The only thing you could do is that, like, if it triggers and pushes into profit a little bit, rather than reducing it and entering at a bigger pip size, as it starts to move, reduce your risk using that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you could either do that or the difference between the two, you could add that on as a position lower down and then reduce the risk on the first one.
Oh my god.
How crazy is that?
Not swing trading, young man.
I like doing things like that. Let's see what it does. Oy. The snow's a lot thinner now, coming down. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Ta-da!
Zags.
It ain't 6 feet, it's not that deep. Hey, I'm off to safe from the python.
Have fun. Oof. Oh my god. My fart smells like methane. You could run a bloody car off that.
Carpenter. Nah. If it ain't 6 feet, it's not that deep. He was in the bathroom. Oh yeah. Jawohl, jawohl. Got a 30-minute close beneath. No, I had a 30-minute close on EJ beneath the significant average. So there's probably going to be no push yet from EJ. I think.
What's this? Oh yeah.
It hasn't closed beneath yet.
No close, mate. No close.
Not close, not close.
Yeah, slow market today.
It's a slow open, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Maybe
to be
it's just
fair,
no.
it's not fully open. Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe it's just no. Okay. I can stop for a minute. I just wanna. You find like on a morning like this when it's a bit slow, all of a sudden there'll be a massive move and it's just a case of timing it, right?
Yeah, momentum just comes into it, doesn't it?
Yeah, but there's no way of knowing when.
I'm just looking at one weather focus. The weather. Absolutely magical. What's she saying? Bum 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 bum.
America.
Oh, that was a jumpy little bit of there.
It's going crazy.
No, on the audio on the computer.
I thought you were sarcastic.
No, what do you mean? No.
The market is going wild. There's like 100 pip moves everywhere. Stop on there. Look at that. Been holding it at the same price for ages.
Yeah, it'll either break and go or not gonna break. You know,
It'll either go up or it'll go down.
Jim. I mean, are you professional?
I know what I'm talking about. You'd never be wrong though, would you?
No.
Can't stop to get in the corner.
Yeah. Pound US dollar doing that. That's just holding steady. Steady Eddie.
Look at EU. EU would have been a nice babby.
Yes, on his way down to the downside. We've just been triggered in on it.
Is it gonna go? Are things gonna move?
594. I got triggered in it. Five nine four. Ready. Groovy tunes. Groovy tunes. Yeah, we're in. We're on. EJ is now beneath. Did EJ was beneath then? I think it did, didn't it?
EJ?
Yeah, the 15-minute close beneath. It's
I don't know.
yeah, 15-minute close beneath. It's significant low.
Oh yeah.
On the 15-minute.
It dead.
And the 30 minutes now beneath it. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, correct. Oh no. Yeah, the euro dollar's keeping that's pushing down a little bit as well. I think the euro's way weaker than the pound.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Okay, mate. Okay. I'm the weirdest on the planet.
How EJ is going. She's Mechanomov.
The house. Yeah.
They look really good on the hourly, both of them, to be fair.
Early.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Yeah, I like them.
Okay, then
Okay, then, I don't know what I got triggered in it. 594.
Oh, Jimmy. Sharing a price.
I didn't get topic.
Did Dad get up the hill? I'm guessing he did. He did. He got up the hill. He up the hill.
I need a tinkle, me. I need a tinkle. Tell you what, if you take trades like this consistently and nothing else, you'll make good money.
Yeah.
like pouch in here.
It's like a gas chamber.
You dig. You dig. What colour do you have your lines? Like that, the burgundy colour?
Which lines?
Your finger lines, your red lines. Is it the burgundy or just a normal red?
It's just red.
Just red.
Why?
Just red. Quite like them. They're quite clear, aren't they?
Yeah. Yes, I like them. I like them a lot.
Hmm. Nobody said. I never know what line to use.
Oh, me music stop. Oh, got the music stop.
Oh, got the music stop. Bum, 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 bum.
What the hell?
Can't decide on what line to use. Not that it's time for. I don't know.
Wow, what colour are your lines?
Like a grey colour. But the I use a solid line.
Oh, right.
I'm just gonna leave mine. I think it's for the best.
I think you could be right there, Chief.
A brand new freestyle's a good song.
By who?
Else for a bit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Brand new, huh?
They don't think back. Yeah, I think if like Euro US dollar and a lot of the pairs get to the lows, they could break out. Like it could be quite good. EU looks really good beneath the low.
Yeah. Tell you what though. Hang on a minute. Let me tell you. 1 second. Won't be long. Hold your asses. From that EU from yesterday, you'd be 5% in profit.
Oh really?
Run there.
Pretty sick.
That's what you get when you short highs. Honestly, if you short highs in a bearish market, but if you go on EU on the 4 hour, right, and just look at why you got that move. You know,
Yeah,
like
exactly,
you always want to get in you always want to get in the impulse leg. But you always seem to like miss it. Like you'll get clipped and then it'll go. Like that's how it always seems to work.
Yeah.
But look at why this worked. Right? If you look at where we had the setup to go short from, it just made a minor higher high, but at a lower high point to the last significant high. So it's like if it's bearish, it's not supposed to go any higher than that.
Yeah,
That's
exactly. Yeah, you can see it's just like.
Yeah, it's it was 78% as well from that previous leg.
Was it?
So that's a lower high point. Isn't it?
Ah, right, okay.
Yeah, the dollar's better than the yen today.
Yeah. yeah, it's looking that way at the moment. Good thing is on EJ, if it's going to correlate with pound yen, is EJ has now created a lower low and a lower high than the previous one. Whereas pound yen's only got a lower high at the moment. It hasn't broken the low of the candle yet. But GJ and EJ correlate pretty well. Like if you look at them on the 4 hour, they're more or less identical, sort of. Yeah. The way that they move. So, don't know. Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Is that real?
You are?
Is that real?
Yeah.
Sounded like a mouse, like.
Jimmy, it was not a ringhorn. It's kind of stopped snowing now. Which sucks ass, Jimmy. Sucks ass, Jimmy.
I'll tell you what, there's a lot on the fence here. Loads.
Yeah.
It's a good. It's 3 inch on the fence.
Oh, you got 3 inch on the fence. You did do that.
Why does it keep turning down? Sorry.
I'm guessing EJ is dropping like a pound yen's beneath the low now. Well, it's beneath it. I'm in profit now on GJ at the moment. Yeah, they're both beneath now. We'll have to see what they do. I think a solid 30-minute close will do.
Melt down to the low will do.
I mean, if we continue, just for it to continue, it wants to be a solid 30-minute close, doesn't it? Really?
It just wants to do it. Stop.
Yeah, it's a 1 to 2 exactly for me, with the slightly slipped entry.
Right, yeah. Well, entry slightly below.
Oh no, well it slipped me. Yeah, it slipped us as well, though, didn't it? So
only point 1.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
0.01. Was it?
I don't know.
I put it was 595 and it was 594. So 0.1 of a bit.
I put 595. Yeah, 595 and it was 5. Yeah, I guess so. Not a lot, but yeah, 1 to 2 exactly. And then not a lot for commission.
How come you take spread into consideration on charts?
For the high.
No.
Oh, just so it's beneath it.
Just because, like, on the short, on the entry, it's like, if you think about it, if you take a short exactly on the low, then you have to get the spread below that entry to even go into profit. So if you put it the spread below, then you have to get then you get a spread worse entry, and then it still has to go to the spread below the low before you even go into profit. So you're like multiplying.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah, you could. I've just always done that. I think because I'm so used to taking breakouts, that's why I do it.
Yeah.
That's a good point. That you probably don't actually need to do that, do you?
You're like making it twice as bad.
Yeah.
I get it on the longs obviously because.
You have to do it on the longs. Yeah.
It would trigger you in before it even got to the high.
Yeah, you have to do it on the longs. Yeah, EJ on the 1 hour would have been a really nice setup. Obviously it's against structure, but how it's moving is really good.
Oh yeah.
Got a 30-minute close coming up in a minute. See, that's a good 30-minute close. Innit?
What's that? Yeah.
You think anyway, wouldn't you?
You dig?
To be fair, it doesn't really mean anything. It just kind of confirms the current area, doesn't it? Really. Like the next candle could just rip back up.
Yeah, I prefer not to look at candles when I'm actually in a trade.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to close it anyway. Like, it doesn't matter what it does. It's either going to work or it's not.
Yeah.
Like, this could have a really bad. This could push up and close above the support and then just melt the target. Or it could close really good and then flip against it. It's like...
You don't really know, do you?
You're almost trying to get your hopes up. You're trying to confirm it. It's like, you're just in the trade, like, it'll either work or it won't.
Yeah.
There's no, like, once I've taken it, there's no thinking past that point other than partial take, that's it.
Yeah, true.
There's just no point because it makes you get more wound up if it doesn't go your way because
you feel like it's been confirmed.
Yeah, you're like trying to persuade yourself. You're trying to convince yourself that it's good. All right, so we've got this. Yeah, I guess that could go with it. All right, yeah, and then you start looking like you start finding yourself saying like, oh yeah, on the 1 minute, oh this looks good on the 1 minute. It's just like you're just trying to find like things to just convince you that it's because you want it to win.
Well, you find if it doesn't go in your direction, you find yourself working down the time frames.
Yeah.
So, like like as a like a new trader sort of thing.
Guide it. It's like if you just see it as for the trade, plan as best you can, take the best trades, and then once you're in it, it'll just work out it won't. Like there's no. Yeah,
that's it.
Nothing to it. Yeah, I don't know. The whole like obviously it depends what type of trading you do. If you swing trading, then you need to be like aware of what's going on. But for me, most of the ones that work hit target. So like it'll either hit target or it won't, more than likely. Or it'll stop out.
Correctio, Jimmy O. Jimmy O, correctio. Mr. Jimmy O, correctio.
It's only half 7. Feels well there.
Does feel there, doesn't it? Feels like I've been doing it for ages. It's not snowing anymore, Jimmy boy. Oh, it is. It's just really fine.
The only thing you should be concerned about when you're actually in a trade is where you're taking partials and stuff like that and like closing it. Yeah. Closing it for profit or just letting stuff out. And when you have that mindset as well, you're able to make decisions better in the trade because you're not as like stressed about it.
Yeah, you just happily leave it then, don't you?
Because it feels like if you watch it, especially like say you take it on the hourly like this, and then you start watching it on like the 15-minute or even the 5-minute or whatever, or the 1 minute, because you're stressed about it, and then you try and convince yourself, and it'll make. So say it stops out, right? Say the trade actually ends up stopping out, and you take it. So you take it on the hourly, and then so you take it on the hourly, and then you start watching on the small time frames because it's like in a bit of a drawdown and this, that, and the other. So you start looking at the small time frames, and you see like, oh yeah, right, this looks good now to go short, and then it doesn't work. And then you're like, oh, all right, so the 1 minute's teeing up again, right? Maybe this is the time when it's going to make the move. And then it doesn't work. And then you could do that like 5 to 10 times. And then by the time it's actually stopped out, it feels like you've had about 10 losses.
Yeah, because it's failed
in your mind,
what you thought it was going to do.
Like, yeah, you've like worked it up in your mind, and you're like, oh no, that's not working now, and that's not working. Oh, it's doing me over. It's doing this. It's like, there's no, why make it feel worse than it is? Like, it'll just work or it won't. There's no like big thing. It's kind of like just watching it in general. It's like it's quite hard to just leave it and not watch it. But it's like when you come back to it, the result will be the same as if you stayed and watched it. So what's the point stressing yourself out?
Yeah, I think the worst thing you can. Yeah, I think the worst thing you can do is start dropping time frames.
Yeah. Just stick to the time frame you took it on. Because technically nothing else is relevant to your setup.
Well, that's it. Yeah.
Again, dependent for my strategy anyway. But it's snowing properly again now.
Well, hey. Go on, son.
Go on, mate. Go on, matey. Go on, matey boo.
Nivy? Go on, Nivy.
EA rises from 8.1%.
Kels is just saying that her sister's, you know, Elise, she has to go. Apparently, well, obviously Kels ain't working, but Elise is, and apparently her boss texted Elise saying, "Oh, your dad's got a 4x4, don't he, so you can come in."
Huh?
How bad is that? Like, they shouldn't have to
I'd be
ask.
like,
Yeah, I'd be like, nah, see you later. Not today.
Anyway, hey, I'm a rich boy, by the way.
Bum, 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 bum. Dum, 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 dum. E-E-E.
Luke's just put, in fact, it's not Luke, it's the fat one. Not the fat one, but the ginger one. He's put, good morning team, I need all DAs who can get in to come in, please. If you can, please let me know ASAP. Thank you. They're having a nightmare now.
We're having a lovely one, thank you.
I'll just sit it to him. Oh, GJ pulled back.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get. It's gonna be 30-minute fit out before it's the 7:30 candle.
Oh, EJ's holding steady though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. No, this will be. I've seen it do it before. The 7:30 candle usually pushes in the opposite direction to what it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped. I'm pretty sure this will stop out.
Oh, I picked the wrong one there. EJ. What?
Yeah, it's gonna screw us. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, honestly, I guarantee it goes long for the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm out.
Well, I just farted and it smells.
Damn, son. Yeah, that's it. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, so honestly, that 7 to 7:30. It does it all the time. Like that's why you should read candles sometimes. Like genuinely, like that's I've seen it do that so often.
So when that worked, you wouldn't have said that.
You what?
If that had worked, you wouldn't have said that.
No, but honestly, I've seen it do that loads of times before.
Adam.
I've seen it do it loads of times. Loads of times. Huh. No, EJ's pulling back now a little bit, to be fair, as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
EJ. I look good though, to be fair.
Yeah, it looks fit. But yeah, soon when that 30-minute close like it did, as it started ripping back up, like you can, once it gets back above a certain point, it's pretty much guaranteed, I think, to just not work.
Yeah. Next setup, please.
Yeah, what was that on for? Yeah, publish it, pound it.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. This could still come short. Depends if it finds resistance. If it doesn't break its high, it'll come short. If it breaks high, then obviously it's gonna go.
Yeah.
It'll keep going.
Yeah, it's gonna keep going.
Alright, let's play ballish now. Whoa. Oh.
You are.
Stream went white.
Did it? Oh yeah. Oh, that's from me saving the thing.
Alright, okay. That went crazy, man.
Let's have a look on the.
So let's keep dancing on the broken glass. EJ would have worked. Well, it would be working.
Would it have caught you on the original entry? Yeah, it just would have done, wouldn't it, I think? Yeah. Yeah, so either way, if you'd have played it like off the green candle, or, you know, the bullish candle, or the... Yeah, either or you'd have been caught out, I think.
ER? What original entry? On GJ?
Oh no, to be fair, no, yeah, to be fair, it would...
We took the original entry.
Yeah, on that
I
one.
was gonna say, boy. Jaw? I've heard enough.
To be fair, yeah, you know what it did dirty on the hourly? It triggers you in and then created a new high. Because the previous 1 hour candle didn't actually trigger you in, so your stop couldn't be above that one, it had to be the one that triggered, which was this one, but this one triggered, then created its high and then came down.
I mate. What we have. Let's keep dancing on the broken glass.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I don't think there's gonna be anything else.
No, afraid not. Let's keep dancing on the broken glass.
We may as well call it then, probably.
Yeah, I'm easy. I'm quite hungry actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I'm gonna go get some breakfast. That's gonna be probably not gonna be a great deal happening now. I don't think.
So let's keep dancing in the broken glass. Effortless.
Dum 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 da dum. Yeah, I'm gonna. We may as well call it. I think.
That just spiked us out. That's it's not going long. This is going to be interesting.
Yeah, see what it actually does.
If this hourly closes down at the low, it's good for short. It's still good.
Yeah.
You see when I said about sometimes if it pushes up and it looks like a bust and then it creates resistance and pushes back down.
Yeah.
Like this is one of them scenarios. It just happened so that it triggered in before it did it.
Yeah, because to be fair, there's only 12 minutes left of this hourly candle.
Yeah. A lot of times it will push up to find that extra resistance before it triggers in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So normally you would never be in it, and then you'd be like, oh yeah, it's just tried to push long. Oh yeah, it's just failed again.
Yeah, so it went short, which is like that first 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
So it like tricks you into short, and then it manipulates people back long, and then it comes back short again.
Yeah, if you're just like, well, look at the 15-minute, like look at them, the small moves. It's like it just engulfs back down. You know what I mean? Like, so you'll try to go long. It might still go long, but it just depends how this hourly closes.
Yeah.
So epic.
36 feet. It's not epic.
Yeah, just get to waiting, just waiting and see.
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna get breakfast.
Yeah, I'm gonna get breakfast.
Yes.
Right. Right, adios.
Ciao.
Adios, me.
See you later.